Okay friends, good morning. They given this question in 2018 SBI PO mains. Friends, at present this model is very important. Here they given buildings, building A, building B, building C. Next, here we are going to find number of persons in the building, at the same time number of floors in the building. Yes, friends, at present this model is very important. Friends, I given time to take screenshot. Just take screenshot, just try to solve. If not, watch this video till completion. Friends, see here the given one is what? 10 people lives in 3 buildings, namely A, B and C. Building A is immediate left of building B, whereas building C is second right of building A. Friends, check here. The next one is what? Building A is immediate left of building B. Check here. Building A is immediate left of building B. Yes. Next, the given one is what? Whereas building C is second right of building A. See here. Building C is second right of building A. They are facing north means for A left and right and first right, second right. See here. A is immediate left of B and C is second right of A. Leave. A maximum of 4 people lives in a building. Yes, that means maximum in building, total maximum we are having only 4 people. We are having only 4 people live. Next point. Friends, check here. The given next point is what? See here. One check here note point. The given note point is what? Immediately above or immediately below implies that the persons are not in the same building. Yes, if they mention immediately above or immediately below, suppose friends, if they mention one is what? A and B, if A is immediately above B, if they mention immediately above means they are not in the same building, they are in the different buildings. Yes, note point. See here, immediately above or below implies that persons are is not in the same building. Leave it. Next point. Friends, take your first point. As many floors are there below the floor in which T lives as it is above the floor in which Y lives. Yes, friends, check here. The next one is what? As many floors are there below the floor in which T lives. Yes, that means below T is same as the number of persons lives above the Y. See here. As many floors are there below the floor in which T lives as it is above the floor in which Y lives. The number of floors below T is same as number of floors above Y. Leave it. Next point. There are 4 floor in which there are 4 floors above the floor in which S lives. Yes, that means above S. See here, above S we are having 4 floors. See here, there are 4 floors above the floor on which S lives. Next, live. S does not live in building B but lives at the floor number 5. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, here the mention is what? S does not live in building B but lives at the floor number 5. S does not live in building B but S lives in floor number 5. But previous taken point is what? Above S total we are having 4 floors. Yes. Friends, S does not live in building B means for S there is chance to take building A or there is chance to take building C. So friends, here if you are going to take here S. Friends, in S building, total how many floors we are having means total we are having 9 floors. Why means here S lives in 5th floor. S lives in 5th floor. The mention one is what? S lives at floor number 5. But previous point is what? There are 4 floors above the floor in which S live. That means above S we are having 4 floors. That means in S living building, total we are having 9 floors. But S does not live in building B. That means for S there is chance to take building A or there is chance to take building C. Yes. Suppose take friends one possibility take in building A total we are having 9 floor. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Next 4, 3, 2. Next one is what? 1. Now S lives in 5th floor. S live. Above S total we are having 4 floors. There is chance to take building A. Next possibility is what? There is chance to take building C. Now take here building A, building B, building C. Now building C, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next one is what? 1. S lives in floor number 5. Above S total we are having 4 floors. Yes, friends, for S total we are having 2 possibilities. See here, S does not live in building B but S lives in 5th floor. But previous point is above S total we are having 4 floors. That means in this S building total we are having 9 floor. But S does not live in building B means there is chance to take building A or there is chance to take building C. Next point. Z lives on that floor number which is the sum of the floor numbers in which R and S. That means friends, check here. Here Z equal to R plus S. Now leave. The sum of the floor number in which P and T lives is 3. Now friends, check here. Here the mention is what? P plus T. Total is what? 3. The sum of the floor numbers in which P and T lives is 3 and both lives in the different building. See here. Sum of the floor numbers of P and T is 3, but P and T both lives in the different building. Yes, leave it. R lives in building B and lives at the topmost floor. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, R lives in building B. R lives in building B, but R lives in the topmost floor. But we don't know the number of floors in the building B. Then leave. Here also, friends, R lives in building B, but R lives in the topmost floor. Yes, leave it. Next point. See here. T and Y lives in the same building, but they do not live in the building A. Friends, check here. The mention is what? T and Y. See here, T and Y both are lives in the same building. Friends, see here, the point is what? T and Y lives in the same building, but they do not live in building A. Yes, friends, check here. Take here. T and Y. These two are lives in the same building, but they do not live in building A. Live. The sum of the number of the floors in which T and V lives is equal to the floor number in which Y lives. Now, friends, now they again clue point is what? Friends, check here. T plus V equal to Y. See here. The sum of the number of the floors in which T and V lives is equal to the floor number in which Y lives. T plus V equal to Y live. Next point is what? See here. T lives in an even number floor. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, previous the given point is what? P plus T totally equal to 3. Now, the mention one is what? T lives in an even number floor. That means T lives in an even number floor means for T possibilities what? Second floor. For P possibilities what? First floor. Now, 1 plus 2 total is what? 3. Sum of the floor numbers of P and T is 3. Next, T lives in an even number floor. Next, P and T both lives in the different floors. Yes, leave it. Next point is what? See here. Equal number of floors are there below the floor in which Q lives. Yes, friends, see here. Equal number of floors are there below the floor in which Q lives and the floor above the floor in which W lives. Yes, the number of floors below Q is same as number of floors above W live. There are 2 floors between W and Q. Between W and Q, total we are having 2 floors, but number of floors above W is same as number of floors below Q live. U lives on that floor number which is immediately below the floor number in which V lives. Now, U lives on the floor number which is immediately below the floor number in which V lives. See here. U lives on the floor number which is immediately below the floor number in which V lives. So if they mention immediately above or immediately below implies that V and U both are not in the same building. Yes, leave it. Next point take here. Only 2 people lives in building C. Yes, building C total here we are having only 2 people. Next, S and U lives in the same building. Friends, check here. The mention one is what? S and U both are lives in the same building. Now live. Next, R lives immediately 2 floors above the floor number in which S lives. Yes, friends, take care. Friend, this is the clue point. See here. R lives immediately 2 floors above the floor in which S lives. Friends, here S lives on 5th floor. Now the mention one is what? R lives immediately 2 floors above S. See here, S is in 5th floor. R is immediately above 2 floors immediately above S. Friends, here R lives immediately 2 floors above the floor in which S lives. Friends, we know already S lives in 5th floor. R lives immediately 2 floors above. Immediately 2 floors above means, that means here R lives in 7th floor. R lives in 7th floor. Friends, remember S is in 5th floor, but R is immediately 2 floors above S. That means now R is in 7th floor. Next, S is in 5th floor. We know Z equal to R plus S. R is 7th floor. Now S is 5th floor. Now 7 plus 5 total is what? Here 12 floors. Yes, leave. Now friends, see here R lives in floor number 7. But previous they mentioned is what? R lives in the topmost floor in building B. That means in building B maximum we are having only 7 floors. Why means they mention R lives in the topmost floor in building B. Now they mention S lives in 5th floor, but R is immediately 2 floors above S. That means R is in 7th floor. That means next building B we are having only 7th floor. Next 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next one is what? 1. Here also R lives in 7th floor. Next 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next one is what? 1. Yes. Now friends, check here one more clue point. Friends, check here Z equal to R plus S. R floor number is what? 7. Next S floor number is what? 5. 7 plus 5 is what? Total is what? 12. But friends, here that means in Z floors total we are having, see here, minimum we are having total 12 floors. In Z building total we are having total minimum 12 floors. But see here building A, total how many floors we are having? Maximum 9. Building B we are having 7. That means Z compulsory lives in the building C. Yes. Now friends check here. In building C compulsory we are having 12 floors. Now 12, next 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next last one is what? 1. Z lives in 12th floor. Now in this case, Z floor number is 12, but building B we are having maximum 7 floors. Building C maximum we are having only 9 floors. Why means S lives in 5th floor, above S we are having 4 floors, means here we are having only 9 floors. But that means now in this case, here Z floor total we are having 12 floors, means building B no chance, building C no chance, only possibility is what? Building A. Here 12, next 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one is what? 1. Now Z lives in 12th floor. Yes, leave it. Now friends check here, Z equal to R plus S. This condition is completed. Yes, leave. Now friends check here, previously the given clue point is what? T and Y both lives in the same building, but does not live in building A. Now friends check here, T and Y both lives in the same floor, same building, but does not live in building A. That means T and Y building A no chance. Possibility is what? Building B or building C. Now for T and Y building C also no chance. Why means building C maximum we are having only 2 members. Then for T and Y only possibility is what? Building B. But P plus T equal to 3, but T lives in an even number floor. That means T floor number is what? Second. T is second means now Y is what? Here 6. Y means number of floors starting a given. Number of floors above Y is same as number of floors below T. Above Y we are having 1 means below T also we are having 1. Now come to this side, this possibility. Friend check here. In this case here, T and Y both lives in the same building but does not live in building A. Then building A, T and Y no chance. Their chance to take building B, their chance to take building C. But building C no chance. Why means they given, see here, building C maximum we are having only 2 members. Then for T and Y possibility is what? Only building B. But T lives in second floor. T lives in second floor means number of floors below T is same as number of floors above Y. Below T 1 means above Y also 1. Yes. Now friends check here. Now this point also completed. Now take this one. T plus V totally equal to Y. Now friends see here, T floor number is 1. See here, T floor number is 2 plus V equal to Y. Y floor number is 1. Here 6. Both cases Y floor number is what? 6. T is 2. 2 plus V equal to 6. That means V lives in 4th floor. If V lives in 4th floor means, now friends check here, V lives in 4th floor means, they mention is what? UV is immediately below V. V is in 4th floor means, now UV is compulsory in the 3rd floor. Yes, leave it. Now friends check here, next take any other clue points if they given. Friends see here, the again clue point is what? S and U both lives in the same building. Now U lives in floor number 3, S and U in the same building. Now yes, now this one is what? U. S and U in the same building. S is in floor number 5. Now S and U both are lives in the, now S and U lives in the same building. In this case building is total we are having maximum 2 members completed. Yes, leave it. Now friends this point also completed. Now friends take here this point. Number of floors above W is same as number of floors below Q. Suppose in this possibility in building C W1Q there is no chance. Why means Z already there. If I take W1Q here means in this building total we are going to get 3 members, but building C we are having only 2 members, no chance. Now W1Q in building B also no chance. Why means W1Q if I will take in building B means now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members, but starting the again condition is maximum 4%. That means building B also no chance. Now take here building A. Friends, building A if I will take means now between W1Q we are having 2 members. Number of floors above W is same as number of floors below Q. That means W1Q compulsory in the middle only. Yes, see here. If I will take here W, suppose 1, 2 here Q. Suppose W, 1, 2 here Q. Above W2 below Q3, no chance. If I will take here W, 1, 2 Q, no chance. Here W, that means here friends in this possibility there is no chance to get this condition. Why means here W 1 to Q, number of floors above W 0, below Q we are having 5, no chance. If I will take W here means 1 to the one is Q, above W 2, but below Q we are having 3. So in this possibility there is no chance to get that condition. Now come to this one. Between W and Q we are having 2 floors, number of floors above W is same as number of floors below Q. But for W and Q building C no chance. Why means building C maximum we are having 2 members, already S and U completed. S and U. So in building C already S and U completed. Now friends check here for W and Q. If I will take care building B no also no chance. Why means W1 queue if I will take in building B means W queue 2 members, 1, 2, next again 1, 2, 3 members. That means total we are going to get 5 members. Maximum we are having only 4 persons in a building. Yes, no chance. Now only possibility is for building A. But friends, W1 queue compulsory comes in the middle end. Why means above W is same as below Q. Suppose if I will take here W, 1 to different is for Q, below Q 5, above W, no chance. Suppose here W, 1 to different is for Q, below Q 1, 2, 3, 4, above W was 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is the condition. See here. This one is for W, this one is for Q. Between W and Q, here we are having 2 floors. Number of floors above W is same as number of floors below Q. Above W 1, 2, 3, 4. Below Q also we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose if I will take here Q means now this one also W also chance. Q1 W we are having 2 floors. Number of floors above W 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Below Q 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, possibilities. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, in this case all conditions are satisfied. Between W and Q we are having 2 floors. Above W is same as below Q. Friends, W and Q there is chance to get interchange. Yes, now. Friends, check here. Now the given condition is what? See here. P plus T total is what? 3. But P and T both are used in the different buildings. Yes. Now friends, check here. T completed. T is in building B means now for P there is chance to take building A or there is chance to take building C. But building C all 2 members S and D completed. Only possibility for P is what? Building A. But P lives in floor number 1. Yes. Now friends, take here. Next point is what? Friends, check here. V is in 4th floor. Next U is in 3rd floor. Now friends, see here. U is in 3rd floor. Now see here for V there is chance to take here. Building C no chance. Why means building C 2 members completed. There is chance to take building B or there is chance to take building A. But building A 1, 2, 3, 4 members are completed. That means for V building A no chance. Only possibility is what? Building B. That means V lives in 4th floor. Now U lives in 3rd floor. U lives immediately below V. Immediately below or immediately above implies that they are not in the same building. That means friend, this is the complete entire arrangement. Now building A we are having 12 floors, building B we are having 7 floors, building C total we are having 9 floors. Yes friends, once if you are able to solve this arrangement means now questions are easy. So friends, based upon this question, this arrangement, they can total 5 questions. Suppose building A how many floors we are having, building B how many floors we are having, building C how many floors we are having, otherwise S and U lives in which building, otherwise U lives in which floor, or V lives in which floor, like that they can total 5 questions in 2018 SBI PO Mains. Friends, for maybe looking question is maybe we are going to feel tough, but this question is little bit lengthy but little bit calculations. Once if you are having 2-3 examples for this model, if you are having practice me, then it will becomes easy. Okay friends, thanks for today. At the same time friends, once if you are going to like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Next, even if you want any new concept or anything, just give one comment, then next day I will compulsory will come with that video. Okay friend, thanks for today.